In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Vermont state. If you need to take care of a Vermont traffic ticket quickly and conveniently, paying online is one of the easiest options. Before you begin, make sure you have the basic information needed to locate your case. This usually includes your citation number, your name, or your driver's license number. It's also important to know that online payments are typically accepted with Visa, MasterCard, or Discover, and a convenience fee of 2.39% may apply. Another important detail to keep in mind is timing. You should submit your payment or plea within 21 days of receiving the citation. Missing that deadline could lead to additional penalties and in some cases even a license suspension. So if you're ready, let's walk through the process. Start by going to the Vermont Judiciary payment portal. You can also reach it through the vermont.gov page for paying traffic tickets and court violations online, or through the Vermont Judiciary Pay Fine page. Once you're on the correct website, look for the option labeled Make Payments. After selecting Make Payments, search for your case using the information you have available. In most situations, you can look it up by entering your citation number, your name, or your driver's license number. Be careful when typing your details so the system can find the correct record without delays. If your ticket doesn't appear in the standard search results, don't panic. Sometimes a citation has not yet been fully processed in the system. In that case, use the prepay fees online option instead. This can help you continue if the regular case search does not show your ticket right away. Once you locate your case, follow the on-screen prompts to submit your plea and payment. Be aware that paying online means you are admitting guilt or pleading no contest, depending on how the system presents the option. Take a moment to review everything carefully before completing the transaction, especially the case details and total amount due. When your payment is finished, make sure to save or print your confirmation receipt. Keeping a copy for your records is a smart idea in case you need proof of payment later. That's the full process for paying a traffic ticket online in Vermont. As a final tip, try to complete everything in one sitting with your payment card and ticket information ready so the process goes smoothly from start to finish.